Grabe, may pag-mic. So, I wasn't really planning to travel this year. Kasi wala sa goal, wala sa budget, and definitely wala sa plano. But then, I get invited into a wedding. Saan? Sa Seattle. As a groomsman. And I was like, okay, that's wild. I've never been in US. And I never even imagined it. Pero sabi nila, West Coast trip daw. May road trip. May food trip. Then yung narinig ko yung food trip. That's it. Sold! I said yes. Booked the ticket, packed my jacket, and still had no idea what I'm going to do. Still have no idea what I'm doing. But something told me na baka kailangan ko to. Na baka kailangan ko nang mag-travel. And that reason was enough.
Boss! Saan kami?
Sige ba kaya?
Hey, Randy.
Sige ba? Hello, hatid ko lang si Boss
Boy,
Toy.
alis na. Sige.
Ito na to.
Saan po tayo punta?
Kali ng
Airport.
Ilang oras ang layover mo?
So, ang layover ko, 6 hours ako sa Singapore.
Tapos?
Then may 3 oras ako sa Singapore. And then 9:30, 14
6 hours?
hours papunta.
6 hours ka mo?
6 hours papunta Singapore ngayon.
Oo, 6 hours.
Oo.
Tapos layover mo 3 hours.
3 hours.
Kain ka muna ron.
Oo naman, nilibre mo.
Oo.
Ay, hindi ka pala kasama.
Wala na nga,
Wala ko
gutom na
naman,
ako eh.
nilibre mo ako
Gutom
eh.
na ako, Kat. Gutom na ako.
Ako bahala, pag-uwi.
Airport.
Airport! T1 plus T2, T3.
T3.
I want.
Dude.
Here's the thing. I had the full day of clips. Car ride, city views, shopping, first time in US, and even the Space Needle. But the keyword there is had. I had. Because somehow I lost the footage. And yep, it's gone. Vanish. Like my motivation after a long day flight. So you just have to take my word for it. Seattle looked cool, was cold, of course, and the needle, definitely 10 out of 10. And so, the wedding day. Time to suit up. Hindi ako sanay sa ganito, pero syempre hindi tayo magpapahuli. Groomsman ako today. Legit! No camera duties, no vlogging, just supporting a friend on their big day. So I got dressed, fixed my collar 5 times, tas tinago ko na yung kaba. It was quiet and meaningful. I didn't know most of the people here, but somehow I felt included. And that was the kind of moment you don't always caught on the camera. You just live with it.
First question, paano mo sila unang nakilala?
Naman, alam mo naman ako, meron akong stage.
Pang-chill. Gutom na kami. Pwede ba after natin kumain?
Okay, next question.
Next question. Lights
Yeah.
on, lights off.
Kapampangan bawal.
Game na?
Apo,
Okay.
Hindi namin
Hindi
naririnig.
kita nabibili.
Maingay.
Maedad pa talaga. Hi, brother!
Sister ka. My English is konti lang.
Oh, you know how to edit it.
your name,
Address din?
bank number.
Basta send mo kami.
So, alright, so thank you very much, sister.
Okay, thank you,
And we'll be
brother.
right back. Just not
If there will be friends that will be coming with us to join and celebrate our 25th silver wedding anniversary. Okay.
Ayun lang. Thank you so much po. At enjoy your wedding. Yun lang. O diba? Ganun lang. Kayo naman, guys. We are now heading to the church. Kasama po ang aming mga bisita. Kasama po ang mga titas of Singapore.
And the gets of Australia.
Sumasayaw na po yung nasa harap. Kanya po sila ka-ready. Saan ang location natin? Anong lokal ang location natin?
Seattle.
Lokal ng Seattle mismo. So our itinerary for the day is to the church and then gala. Gala na ba tayo? Wala nang bihis-bihis. Diba? Sayang kasi yung outfit natin, diba? Kamusta naman po?
Yes, ayan. If I maid of honor, maid of honor. Gusto mo, yaya? Yaya, ito yung totoong yaya. Mabigyan na kita.
So here's a little bit of backstory. So Kuya Brian and I, we used to co-host together in 9C Radio. Lagi kaming tandem. In every episode, automatic na kami lagi yung nagtatawanan, nagkakantsawan, and all of those fun stuff. And then, life happened. I moved on, he got busy. Last time we saw each other was in Tagaytay. We cater one of his events before his wedding. Tapos, boom! Wala na. Well, until this trip. So guess what happened when we saw each other again?
Nilit ang mundo no.
Wait, yung ex ninyo?
Ni Ate Rosan.
Oo, nandun te.
Oo.
Bakit tinarayan mo? Wow! Ito pala kay Van, my husband. Ah, gano'n. Natuwa naman nun. Nag-picture kayo. Picture kayo lahat.
Ano di ba post? Binlock namin isa't isa. Ako ulit. Tag mo ako. Kahit taba ka na ba kahit? Hindi ka nakatulong.
Hindi ba yan naghahanap mo?
Malay mo pagka hindi nga yung maganda eh. Dalawang hindi naghahanap. The Unfinders gano'n.
Finders found each other.
Kaya talaga naman. Hindi ka mapapagsak sa tenga. Wala kang kalig-kilig doon. Ano yung movie na? Yung Inception.
Ay, oo nga.
Alam ko dito ginawa yun eh.
Ito ba yun?
Oo. Yung road nila pag gano'n, nakakatakot yun. Mahal mo na. Mahal mo na.
Oo.
Oo.
Ayun o, barko. Wow. Ito po, may barko. Wow. Dito po, may kalbo. Ay, wow.
Bakit?
Ayun na. That's the cruise over there. Mamaya dyan tayo pupunta. So now we're dyan.
Then, of course, reception time. Wala akong role. Pero syempre, hindi po pwedeng wala akong ambag. So, I bought my camera. Not for the content. Someone, somewhere, could look back in this moment. I didn't know most of the guests. But it didn't really matter. Because everyone was kind. Everyone was so approachable. Kulitan with the crew. And that post-wedding glow. Captured in the little fragments.
Diba? That will be there for 3 hours.
And of course, thank you for Mr. and Mrs. Ian and Rose Glindro for your silver wedding anniversary. Maraming salamat po for the gift, for the invite, and letting me witness something beautiful.
Casual lang.
Eto na.
Ano ba ako nilalamig?
Hindi naman.
Naninginig lang.
Sinasabotahe tayo, ha?
Halatang ano?
Lamig, ha?
Halatang
Mga galing saan eh? Taga-disyerto.
O, diba? Pag may tumangay, ha? Tignan mo yung dami.
Lali po mga
Pinabay ko lang kasi baka
Okay, sige po. Okay, I see you. Ready? Ready. 1, 2.
Ah, yeah, oo, tama. Yung barko, ang ngiti, awan. Alam niyo ba di naka-
Kiss nga po, please, couple. Share naman guys. Share naman. Okay. Huwag niyo unahan yung kasal nila to eh. Okay, usap. Okay, isang kiss nga tayo, isang kiss. Uy, kiss na. Mas lahat po nakatisip ko.
After all the after all the fun, time to pack. Ito na yung time na ang gulo ng kwarto, pero hindi mo alam kung saan galing tong extra shirt na nakita mo na hindi naman yata sa'yo, di ba? And yung feeling na tingin mo may naiwan ka, kahit sure ka nang wala. It was our last day in this house. The laughter got quieter, the rooms got emptier, but the memories, sabog pa rin, parang kalat dyan sa luggage mo. So I didn't vlog much here, kasi nga busy kami sa pag-iimpake. But I remember how it felt. Very peaceful.
Okay lang si Kai.
Oo. Dami daw siya niyan sa pool.
Wala na yun.
Day after the wedding. No more suit, no more prep, just us. Exploring the heart of Seattle.
Ano tayo? Ano level tayo? Express Market. P4.
M? O, may M
Dami-daming tao. How much is this? I'll take one. It looks good. It should taste good. Oh, sarap.
May binan na si ano.
Naman niya masarap. Yung pizza. Sarap. Gabi ito na.
Hindi yung angatain mo.
Yung sapaw. Salamat! One barbecue pork and curry beef. And yeah, and also one of these.
One black and one?
Yeah, and one of buchi.
So we tasted street foods, random clips, and bought jackets like locals.
Idol, ito ang maganda.
Kahit obvious na mukhang turista talaga kami.
Ako tingin na naman ako to eh. Saka US na, tapos yung binili mo iba pala. Chinese food.
Oo nga eh. Parang
Okay. Thank you. 9. Okay, thank you. Salamat. Ay, anong lasa? Lasang cheese?
Drink ho. Tikman nyo.
Sarap. Sarap. Oh, tikman natin to. Uy, may buchi. Sarap.
mga food critic lang eh. Kailangan.
Masarap yung ano, yung tinapay nila.
Busin na, meron pang isa.
Nakarating tayo sa isang Tapos pabalik natin sa kakubang.
Ito ang pipicturean.
Mayroon pa lang nag-ano lang estado.
So we hit the iconic public market here in Seattle. Yung may nakita kami isda na hinahagis tapos ikaw yung sumasalo. Pero hindi ako sumalo, baka mahulog ako. So we passed the first ever Starbucks at hindi kami pumasok kasing haba ng pila eh.
Ito daw po ang first Starbucks ever and it is here in Seattle. It's built in 1912 at yun lang po ang alam natin so far. Picturean na lang natin kasi ang haba ng pila. Ayun o. Seattle view. Ang barko. Wow. Ganda.
Naman, mas maganda. Maganda ang sarili mo. Hindi kaya ikaw kumuha sa sarili mo. Ang pangit ng kuha ko.
Nga eh, minsan naiisip ko kung bakit na lang ang mga kaibigan ko hindi marunong kumuha.
Ako naman na ako. Ay, kumuha na.
Ako ang itate.
Jonah muna.
Welcome in!
Lalo sa mga nag-iisip ng Diyos sa lugar.
Sacrifice! Wow! Ang ganda oh! Wala pa ring tatalo sa Grabe oh! Mga bagay na di mo makikita sa Pilipinas.
Sabi ko lang may tuksok eh.
Sa Utah, ganyan. Kasi makikita mo yung ano.
O mountainside yung ano natin eh, yung hotel, di ba?
So after everything we saw,
Ngilit ang mundo no.
after the laughter, the people, the view, I realized something. That I don't have to wait until my body gives up on me, until it's too late to walk or try something for the first time. I want to enjoy life now, to feel every experience, taste every culture, even I have to push through some pain. Because one day, I don't want to look back with regrets. I don't want to ask myself, what if I said yes? What if I showed up? And I'm choosing to leave.
Yes, Miranda!
Beautiful eyes. Siya, beautiful eyes nga dyan. Beautiful eyes. Hindi nga. Go. Focus na. Go.
You dropped the pen. Let's go, bro.